All right. So, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope you guys are enjoying yourself. It is February 12th, 2023. Trying to keep my ear to the ground. I'm not a big Asic guy, but anytime I hear you can ROI a piece of hardware in this climate, in this market, in a year or less, it catches my attention. But then I looked at the price, and my attention is a little bit astray. Now, yeah, let's just go take a look at it. If I can find my screen. So it is from Bitmain, the evil ASIC overlords pulling all the strings. The unit price is 8,500. Obviously, with tariffs and shipping, it's going to be a little bit more. This bad boy mines Dash. These are coming soon. They're brand new from Bitmain. But if you go over to like any stats like ASIC miner value or mine the ASIC, you can take a look. And at 10 cents per kilowatt hour, these bad boys, they make $24 a day and they profit $17 a day. And at first that doesn't seem so like, $17 a day for an $8,000 unit. But if you had cheaper power, or if you know somebody that could run something on solar, there's a potential there to make, even more money. In a year, they make $8,800. So technically they would make more than what they cost, give or take, depending on obviously shipping and tariffs, but they would not profit enough. At 10 cents per kilowatt hour what I have. Sorry, I still have a nasty cough. I would only clear about little under $6,500, $6,408. But it's got me thinking. Maybe I need solar, Obviously, to have enough solar to run this, which is a almost 3,000 watt machine, that's a ton of solar. It's not even feasible on a small scale. But it just got me thinking, like, if I start out small on solar, I could run a couple of cards and then a couple more cards and expand from there. But figured I would just at least make this video, see what you guys think about it. Obviously, straight up, I don't have, $8,500 burning a hole in my pocket, ready to go buy a coming soon miner from Bitmain. I've always been, a third or fourth owner of a Bitmain ant miner or whatever kind of miners they have. I never take the initial hit because whenever things go bad, these get really cheap. So these do mine Dash. Dash is somewhere around $60. Let's take a look at it. Dash has been around for a super long time. I don't think it's going anywhere, but I don't know. It's just one of those coins that I'm not super excited about, but I don't hate it either. It's just there and just chilling. So in the last, last week, it's kind of ain't done a whole lot. In the last month, it's up pretty good in the last month. What about 3 months? Oh yeah, last year looks like we were up around $130, and now it's at 62. So in the last year, it's gone down half. It's gone down 50%. So that's not so great. All time. Oh wow, this bad boy was way up there at one time back in 2017. Yeah, if you got into Dash in 2017, I feel for you because it looked like it never recovered, even through the following bull market. It wasn't there. But that's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. It just is what it is. Before we get off here, though, I did want to take a look at all the other coins. Bitcoin is down again ever so slightly in the last 24 hours. It's down 0.02%. It's at $21,808. Ethereum, can't mine it, don't need it, but it's at $1,516. Going further down, XRP, 37 cents. Gosh, my throat's starting to hurt again. I swear, I feel like I'm never going to get over this almost like a head cold with a little bit of cough, like a scratchy throat. Dogecoin, 8.1 cents. Shiba Inu, $12 per million tokens. Litecoin, $93.07. Monero $161.21, and Ethereum Classic is $20.97. So I hope everybody's having a great day or had a great weekend. It's over on the southern East Coast. I'm in North Carolina. It rained all day today. It was kind of cold and crummy and nasty outside. So if you guys are anywhere in or around Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, you know what I'm talking about. It wasn't a fun day, but hopefully somebody else out there somewhere in the world had a good day. But other than that, I will bid you a farewell. We'll keep it short and sweet for tonight. I hope all y'all have a good one, and I will see you tomorrow night. Hopefully with some something a little bit more interesting. It's always when the market's just like, ain't fun to talk about it, Jellyfish is out. Did it stop yet? It didn't. It's still recording. Oh, there we go.